Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing this beautiful burgundy wig. This hair is from Domiso hair on Amazon seller. They did send me an 18 inches and the hair is 13 by 4 lace frontal. I think it is transparent lace, but I'm not sure on that. I will check and I'll let you guys know in the description box below. But the hair is beautiful. I wish it was a bit longer, but I do still like the short hairdo. Yeah, I just thought 18 inches would be just a bit longer, but I guess not. And I hope you guys do enjoy the video and you guys will hear me out throughout this video. And yeah, so normally I don't bleach my knots. I usually use my foundation or concealer, but for this one I did use my foundation. I just think bleaching your knots is just like an extra process that I don't like to go through because I usually mess it up and I gotta restart, or I gotta not restart, I gotta fix it all over again and try to find strategies to fix it. But yeah, and I don't use the ball cap method as well because I find that my wig installation lasts longer without the ball cap method. I don't know, that's just me. And also I don't use the boho glue. I just usually use got to be glue or the spray, but mainly the got to be glue is what I usually use for my install. And I also do use the olive oil spray for the extra hold, and I find that using both of these do work better than just using one than the other, but that's just me again, like I said. So this day I could not find my scissors, which was very irritating, so I had to use this. And I usually don't use this for cutting my lace because it's just annoying, so I was literally struggling to cut the lace. So yeah, this was the struggle, but I did make it work. So it was a lot, okay? I was nervous I was gonna ruin the lace. So while I was cutting the lace, the hair did lift. So now I'm just reapplying the got to be glue again with the spray. It happens sometimes. Sometimes you gotta do it multiple times. I mean, I've never installed my wig without reapplying the glue or anything because it can lift. So it's normal. It's okay. Still, we're gonna trust the process. We're gonna trust it because right now. It was giving me a headache, but we got this, we got this. Well, it's finessing, that's what we're about to do. Now that the not so fun part is over, we're going to be going to my favorite part, which is just styling the hair, doing the baby hairs and all the finishing touch. The hair still do a little bit tacky, still look tacky, but trust me, it's gonna be finessed, okay? Like, this is what we do, you know? It's still looking rough or whatever, but we got this. We're gonna finesse it, and I can't wait to. Dang it, I cannot talk today. I can't wait for you guys to see the finishing look, and yeah, just stay tuned and keep watching to see how it turns out. So right now, all I'm doing is trying to figure out is where my baby hair is going to be. Where I'm gonna lay. I'm trying to figure out where it's going to be because I don't want a lot of baby hair going on because the hairdo is already too much. And the hairstyle that I'm going to be doing is this one famous hairstyle that's been going on TikTok and also on Instagram. It's very popular nowadays. So for now, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to achieve here. And this is why I wish the hair was a bit longer because I feel like with this hairstyle it would have been really really cute, but it is still cute. I still like it with the short hair, but I would have preferred a longer I would have preferred longer hair for this one, but you know, we're gonna make it work, we're gonna finesse it, and yeah. So we're still struggling here. We're still trying to do this hair, but it's coming along. And I do really, really need to invest in a hot comb. I know I say it all the time, but I do need to invest in a hot comb because this hot comb is not doing it for me. It's really not. It's like I'm struggling with it. So my next thing is to invest in a hot comb. But all I'm doing is just parting the hair and still trying to work the style. You know, this is pretty self-explanatory. I keep honestly doing hair. You just have to keep. It's like trial and error. You're not gonna get it perfect the first time. You're gonna, you know, do it, redo it again until it's to your satisfaction. And that's what I'm gonna say. Hair is art, you know. But I will see you guys towards the end, and I hope you guys do find this very helpful, and I will see you guys at the end. And this is the final look. I hope you guys do enjoy. Like I said, we did finesse it. I told you I was going to finesse it, and we did finesse it. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye.